Hi guys, I'm going to make a tteokbokki tonight, and now I'm going to buy tteok. But this time I'm gonna buy some different tteok. It's called 가래떡. It's not especially for tteokbokki. It's for tteokguk, which means soup with the tteok. So, but it doesn't matter what kind of tteok you need to make a tteokbokki. And I will show you my style. Also, I'm gonna make a tteokbokki with oil, so it's gonna be really quite different from you have seen before. Oh, here they say 가래떡 한 줄 1,000원. I will buy 2 line. 저 가래떡 2줄만 주세요.
잘라드릴게요.
네.
봉투 넣어드릴까요?
네. Hi guys. So I bought 떡, which is 가래떡. This one. See this? Yeah. I bought this one because it's more flexible and it has more deep texture. I will start cooking. Yay! In Korean, 기름 떡볶이. In English, I think fried 떡볶이 or oil 떡볶이. Either way is fine. So I will show you my sauce. So 고추장, red pepper paste, and 꿀, honey, and oligo syrup, 올리고당, and soy sauce, 간장. These are for my sauce, and this is the main thing. It's from Spain. Hola! Hey, hola, ¿cómo está? Okay, that's it. Okay, let's start it. So I will show you how to make my sauce. It's really simple. You grab spoon and take whatever you want in your sauce, and it's quite well, for me it's not that spicy, so I will use a little more. And because I don't measure how much, because I will taste, and if I like it I will stop putting gochujang, but if I don't like I will just add more. So honey and 올리고당. I'm using this too because honey is too sticky, I think. So oligo is like more watery. See? So I'm just using both. Yeah, I think I need more because it's still sticky. Okay, let me taste. Yeah, perfect spicy and perfect sweet. And just a little, very tiny soy sauce. Yeah, this would be okay. Yeah, so that's it. This is my sauce. And now I will cut 가래떡. Yeah, it was like a this long. Oh yeah, he cut it. Yeah. So now this is very important. Imagine how big your mouth is, because it's gonna be your one bite. So maybe I cut maybe this 3 inches. I mean 3 centimeters. So 1.2 inches maybe. And now I need a fire. Portable stove. Here's my wok. Turn on the stove. And now throw oils. Ready to fry? Yes, I am. Watch out for oil. And throw the rice cake very softly so you don't get burned. I think I need more oil. Okay. They are very sticky, so probably they're gonna stick together. But just don't worry. Just stir them softly. Because when they are fried, they wouldn't stick together that hardly. Not that hard. Can you see this sticky part? I mean, fried part. Yeah. Oh, I think I put too much oil. Oh, so this tteokbokki, 기름 떡볶이, okay, fried oil tteokbokki. My friend made it once when I was in college, and I loved it. So since then, whenever I'm in a mood for tteokbokki, I make like this. So I like other tteokbokki, like 국물 tteokbokki, like a tteokbokki in a soup, or just normal tteokbokki. But this is more my taste. Yeah, and you know, see this rice come out from that part. And if you wanna put other stuff like cabbage, onion, or a fish cake, which is amu, yeah, you can also put them in here. See this, how they changed it, especially this one. Yeah. And watch out for the oil. And just a bit, yeah. And you can use the lid if you wanna keep them soft and don't want to lose the water. How does it look like? Maybe some of you don't like it because you think it has too much oil. So if you don't want, and you can try like this. Use the half of oil that I used in here. So yeah, maybe you don't need this much oil. And you also can use water when oils are all gone. But this time, yeah, I didn't expect it. I have this much oil. Anyway, but yeah, but it is still good to eat. So I think it's enough. And turning off. And but they are still oily, so I'm just through this lid. Put the lid on for a while. And if you wanna try or you wanna see other type of tteokbokki, how I can make, just leave a comment. So next time, yeah, I can make it. So can you see? Okay. They are not burned at all. So don't use max fire. Just scale 1 to 10, then maybe use 5 to max for frying. And when you put the sauce, use the 3 or less than 3. So let me taste one. See this tteokbokki? Which one is so good? Yeah, this one. Mmm. 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 Oh my god. So good. Thank you guys for watching this one. And I need to go. I need this. So I need to end it here. See you later. Bye guys. 진짜 맛있네. 와. 예. 역시 가래떡이야.